How to check if your iPhone is new or refurbished. So if you've just bought an iPhone, you can actually check if this is a new iPhone or a refurbished device. Now to do this, we just need to open up the settings on your phone, then scroll down to General and click on this. You can then select About. Now you'll see the fourth option down, we have model number. Now this model number will tell us everything we need to know about our device. So all you really need to look for here is the first letter in the model number. Now there's going to be 4 different possibilities for the letter that may be displayed here. So I've actually got them up on my notes so you can see exactly what this looks like. So if you see the letter M for your first letter, this means that it's a retail unit. So if I head back over to my model number, you can see mine starts with M, and this is the best outcome as it means it's been purchased directly from Apple as new. Now some other letters you may see here is the letter F. So if your model number starts with the letter F, it means it's a refurbished device. So this means at some point in time it's been refurbished by Apple or an authorized dealer. You also have the letter N, which means it's a replacement unit, and that just means this phone was a replacement for an original faulty phone. So that's nothing to worry about. And the last one we have is the letter P, and this is for a personalized or an engraved unit. So if you've had your name personalized onto the iPhone, this will be why you're seeing the letter P. And those are the 4 options for the different model numbers, and that should tell you if your phone is new or refurbished.